Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How is your day? I hope you are enjoying your day. So, this is our next game, which is Spike Jump game. So, if you will watch this entire video, you are able to create a different games like Dino Jump game. You can create cat jump, dog jump. Okay, any jumping game you can create with the help of this video. Now, the next thing who can watch this video. Suppose if you are a very beginner, you want to learn the scratch, you don't know anything about scratch, so don't watch this video. I will give you the link in the description box so you can watch that previous videos where I explained you the very basic thing, okay? Like how to add your sprites, how to add the backdrop, that you will get from there. And after that, you can watch this video. Okay. If you are an intermediate level or if you are advanced level, so you can watch it. Okay. Let's start this game. This is a very good game. We can say it's a spike jump game. Let me run it first. Let me just share the sound as well so that you will get the sound also. Let me run it one more time. So basically this is the game that we are going to start. It's very basic game. First we will require these 5 sprites. So this is the first sprite, which is like you need to create this ground structure. Okay. You can add your own designs. You can add any other thing, any other colors. Then we will just try to write this spike jump, which is our second sprite. This is nothing but your button. And we are going to add one more button. If you will click on this button, then only your game will start. Okay. Then we have this third button, which is player. So you can create any sprite as a player sprite. Then we will require obstacle. So this is your spike. Okay. So this four is sprite. This fifth one is nothing but if you will lose the game, so you will get the structure you lost. Click to retry, score your word record. Okay. Then we will try to create thumbnail. This is your project thumbnail. It is something like we are getting thumbnail in YouTube, right? So with the help of that thumbnail, you are identifying what is this video all about. So in a same way for game also, we have to create the thumbnail. So let's start the code one by one. First, we will start the ground code. It's very easy part. You need to add when flag is clicked, you have to go to the front layer for the ground because when we will run the project, the very first thing that we will get is the ground. Okay. Then we are going to start for this button. Like if you will click on the button, so what we will get? It's very simple. When flag is clicked, we need to show the button. Like see when I'm running it, you are getting that button, right? After that, we are going to just take this direction, which is little bit right side. Okay. Then we need to create the clone. Why we are creating the clone? Because we have to duplicate it. Okay. That's why we are creating the clone. In the forever, it will just take this turn. Turn means like if I will run it, see, you are getting this turn. Okay. So how you will get this done with the help of this one, which is your turn left right degree for 0.3, turn left degree for 0.3. Okay. Once you will add it, we are going to see the second one. Okay. Then the last one is this. Let me take it little bit up. So after this, you need to start this one. When we will start the clone, then we will try to switch the costume because for this we have a two costume. Okay. So we will try to switch the costume. Then you can add the brightness so that you will get one bright like structure. Let me show you. See, you are getting that brightness. Okay. Then if we will touch to the mouse pointer, we are going to decrease the brightness. So you need to just decrease it. And if we will touch to the mouse pointer and your mouse is down, we need to broadcast one message which is like we need to start the game. Okay. And after that, you have to just hide it. And once you will receive the start, you need to hide it because we don't want to show that. We need to hide that. Okay. So this is about your second one, which is spike jump. Let's see the third one, which is player. The player code is very simple. Okay, because player is moving. So you have to just do one by one. When flag is clicked, initially we don't want the player because initially we want to show the thumbnail. So that's why we need to hide the player. Once we will start the clone, then only we need to switch the costume. You can set your effects. So why we are doing this? Just because we want to make our project so beautiful. Okay. Like lots of people, they will like your project. So that's why we are setting all these effects. Okay. The next part that we will start is once we will receive the start, because if you remember over here we broadcasted like now we want to run the project. So once we will receive that broadcast, we need to switch the costume. Okay, we have to go to the front layer because we need to show the player. Then it will set the rotational style. We have, if you don't want to rotate, just add don't rotate. You can rotate to all around, or if you want just left to right, you can add for left to right. Okay. In the forever, again, we want to create the clone. If we will touch to the ground, it will change your y by 1, like it will just go to the upside. Okay, ground is this one. The first sprite name is ground, as you know. So a player will touch to the ground, it will just go to the upside. Same thing, if we will touch to the ground, again whatever value we have, we are going to just multiply with -1. Let me increase it so that you will get it -1. Okay. The next part is the next part is if we will touch to the ground or if we will press the key which is space bar or if we will press the W or mouse down, every time we need to just move to the upside. Okay. Same thing, if we will touch to the ground, you need to change y by 1. Why we are doing it? Because we have to move from here to here, here to here, like the downside. For example, this is the player. So player will move from one position to other position. That's why we want to add that. And after that, if we will touch to the spike, who is the spike? This white one. Okay, this triangle structure is your spike. So if we will touch to the spike, we need to broadcast, you lose the game. Okay, so this is the part that you need to add in the player. Don't worry, I'm going to give you this project link also in the description box, so you can open it, you can run it, and you can create it. Okay, what is the role of spike? Spike will move from right to left, and every, like after every 3 second or 2 second, you will get the spike. So that code we are going to add now. When we will click on flag, we have to create a hide the variable score. Like in the variable, as you can see, we created all these score variables. So you need to create all these like clone, difficult, me, score, speed, tick, value, x, y. So you need to create all these one. Okay. Once we will receive the start, if you remember in the ground, we just broadcasted it. So once you will receive the start, you have to go to the back layer. Okay. If we will touch to any one of the edge, your speed will change. Why for x-axis? Because always whenever you want to move from left to right, You need to change your x-axis. Whenever you want to move up and down, you need to change your y-axis. Okay. Once you will receive restart, just go to this position. Once you will receive the start, so same thing you need to add. Like you have to just go to the front layer, just show your spike. We need to go to this position. If we will again touch to any one of the edge, you need to change the score. And then we will just broadcast loose when you will touch to the player, because if player will touch to the spike, we need to end the game. Okay. And when flag is clicked forever, after waiting 10 seconds, you will get your spikes. Okay. So if you want spike again and again, you can reduce that time. So this is the code for the spike that you need to add. Now let's see loose screen. So again, it's very simple. When flag is clicked, just go to the front layer and hide it. When we will click on this sprite, like for the loose screen, it will switch the costume and it will broadcast restarted, and you will get all the messages like you have to show the score variable, what is the world record you will get, and after that we need to just end the game. Okay. So this is the part that you need to add. We have two more sprite. One is high score. How you will get high score? Suppose you are running the game. Initially, the high score was 20. You started the game and you got 30 points. So your high score will be 30 now, not 20. So that logic you need to build. If your score is greater than world record, so in the world record, we are going to add your score. Okay. In the world record, we are going to add your score. And then the thumbnail is very simple. When flag is clicked, just show it. Just add it for 10 seconds and then we are going to start the game. So this is the code for all the sprite like ground, spike jump, player, spike, loose screen, then high score and thumbnail. Okay. And for background, it's very simple. We need to just add one sound. Any sound you can add. It's your choice. Okay. So this is all about Spike Jump game. I'm going to provide you the project link, the like this scratch link, everything I'm going to give you. And again, I'm telling you, if you are a beginner, try to watch my previous videos. I'm going to provide you the link so that you will know how to add the sprites, backdrop, how to start the code, and then you can create this game. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.